Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning into this quick and helpful tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to control who can send you direct messages on TikTok using your Android phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the exact steps to manage your message settings for better privacy and control. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account. Then, select Privacy. Now, scroll down until you see Direct Messages and tap on it. Tap Permission Settings to adjust who can message you. Then tap on Potential Connections, choose Request or Don't Receive to manage messages from people who may know you. After choosing, tap Update Settings to save your preference. Go back and under Others on TikTok, choose whether people you don't follow can send message requests or not. With these settings adjusted, you now have full control over who can message you on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials every week.